Hydrolysis of acetic anhydride. Today topic, hydrolysis of acetic anhydride. Look at here. So I'm taking acetic anhydride CH3 C double bond O C double bond O CH3. This is the acetic anhydride. So when you hydrolysis of acetic anhydride to formation of carboxylic acids CH3 C double bond O OH plus CH3 C double bond O OH. We get carboxylic acids under the hydrolysis of which of that? Acetic anhydride. When it is acetic anhydride, go into the hydrolysis to formation of carboxylic acids. Now look at here. I'm give the mechanism for that. See here CH3 C double bond O O C double bond O CH3. Here in the water molecule, oxygen consists of lone pair of electron. These electrons shifting to the oxygen side, carbon getting positive. Oxygen give the lone pair of electron to the carbon. So when it is given the electron to the carbon, C double bond O minus. I am write this methyl group downwards. Right, next one O. I am write the hydrogen of water molecules. Right, oxygen getting positive. Here these electrons shifting to the hydrogen oxygen bond, electron shifting to the oxygen side. Now these H plus ion, removal of this H plus ion bonding with the negative of oxygen. CH3 C double bond O OH. Here is the OH. Next here is the CH3. Now look at here how it is to separate 2 moles of carboxylic acid. Look at here, these bond electron shifting to the inside, these bond electron shifting to that side, oxygen side. Oxygen take the H plus ion, CH3 C double bond OH, forming 1 mole of carboxylic acid. This one CH3COOH, and next one, that one CH3 C double bond OH. This one CH3 C double bond OH. This is a second mole of carboxylic acid. So when hydrolysis under the condition of, for example, acidic hydrolysis or hydrolysis, acetic anhydride when it is under the hydrolysis to formation of carboxylic acids. So this is the mechanism. So this is formation of carboxylic acids, 2 moles. Okay, written? Write down. Next, ammonolysis of acetic anhydride. Ammonolysis of acetic anhydride. Next one. Look at here. I'm taking the acetic anhydride here on the board. I am adding of ammonia. So when you are adding of ammonia to the acetic anhydride to form the amides, acetic anhydride converted to the amide, and with also to formation of ammonium carboxylate ion also form. So we have to take 2 moles of here for the balancing for the equation. Look at here. Once these electrons shifting to here, negative charge, this carbon getting the positive. From that NH3, so we NH2 bonding with the C double bond O CH3. First here we get the C double bond O NH2 plus the next one CH3 C double bond O Na4 plus NH4 plus. This is a minus. This is a ammonolysis of acetic anhydride. How it is get? So I will show in the mechanism. Look at here. CH3 C double bond O C double bond O CH3. Clear? Right. Now see here. I am take the ammonia. Ammonia consists of the lone pair of electron. For example, these electrons shifting to here. This carbon getting positive. Nitrogen give the electron to the carbon. Nitrogen given to the electron to the carbon. Now when it is given electron to the when it is given to the electron to the carbon to form CH3 C double bond O O. Next one, here is the CO minus. Here is I am write the NH2 one hydrogen separate I writing N plus because they give an electron to the carbon. This carbon. The remain CH3. So this hydrogen give the electron to the nitrogen. Right now here minus H plus ion remain CH3 C double bond O. Here is a O minus. Here is a CH3. And next one is the here is a CH3. Here is a NH2. Right now next one in the next step. So these electrons shifting to the inside. Now these electrons shifting to the oxygen side. So finally we get first of all CH3 this one C double bond O NH2. C double bond O NH2. Remain CH3 C double bond O plus CH3 C double bond O minus. So here in the condition of ammonia, so totally we are adding the ammonia in the test tube with the acetic anhydride. In that 1 mole of ammonia will be there. So that ammonia plus this one hydrogen. So finally that is form NH4 plus. So finally we get ammonium carboxylate ion and amide. We get here amide. So ammonium carboxylate. So ammonium carboxylate and amide when going to the hydrolysis of when going to the hydrolysis of acetic anhydride, sorry not hydrolysis, ammonolysis we getting of amide and ammonium carboxylate. Clear? So this is a mechanism. Okay, right down.